Hello friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. As a part of this Python interview questions sequence of videos, the next question is 65th question. What is the use of else keyword in Python loops? Have you observed here? We can use else keyword also in looping statements. We can use else keyword also in looping statement. But how this else is going to work? To demonstrate this, I'm going to take the previous example which we have covered for break and continue. Okay, listen. In this, we have a cart of items are there or list of items are there. Whenever the number 420 is coming, okay, then we have two options. Either we can terminate the loop or we can process the elements. Now, the loop, end of loop is going to execute. Better, I will take one more statement like, so begin of loop. Okay, beginning the loop, begin loop. Okay, so here I'm going to take end loop like that, assume I have. And here we can use else keyword, else all items, okay, all items, okay, fetched, all items fetched from list. Listen carefully. When this else is going to execute, see, if the loop continuation without any break or without any continue, if it is retrieved all the elements from the list, if it is processed all the items from the list, then only else part is going to execute. If you want, let us execute this program first so that you can get clarity. Have you observed here? Begin loop, all the items has been processed. Of course, here we have given continue. So we skipped this 420, but no problem. Rest of the elements are fetched, right? In the place of 420, so sorry, in the place of this continue, if I am using break, sir, see what will happen. Sir, are you seeing triple one is there, triple two is there, triple six is there. But 420 anyway, the condition is not satisfied. It will come out from the loop. But still rest of the elements are there, right? It is not processed. Have you observed when else part is going to execute without break, without break, if the program is there, okay, then only this particular else part is going to execute. I can say whenever you are taking a list, if all the items are processed, then only this else part is going to execute. Sir, what will happen for 420? 420 is not processed, right? Yes, because there is a condition, right? If the item is 420, manually you have given, it should not processed. Other than that, remaining objects are not having 420 value, right? So it should be processed. If all the items are processed, then that eighth line is going to execute. So what is mean by else keyword in Python? So it executes automatically. It executes automatically. So when all the items, when all the items are processed from a loop, that's all. This is nothing but what is mean by else keyword in Python. Okay. So if you are using else, so how it is going to work? So you can take both break and continue here. If you take continue, the output is nothing but what? We are going to get all the items to be processed. If you take break, automatically it is going to stop. This is nothing but what is mean by else keyword in Python loops. This is a new feature which is there in Python. So you can't see this feature in other languages like C, Java, and C++. Okay, right, friends. Thank you.